Welcome to the world of drone mapping, where cutting-edge technology meets exploration and discovery. From mapping remote landscapes to aiding disaster relief, drone mapping is revolutionizing how we see and understand our world. Join us as we dive into the fascinating realm of drone mapping and uncover how this technology is shaping the future. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, are transforming the field of mapping. What once took weeks or months to survey can now be accomplished in mere hours.
With drones, we can capture detailed images and data from hard-to-reach places, creating accurate maps and three-dimensional models. It's a game-changer for many industries.
The applications of drone mapping are vast and varied. In agriculture, drones help farmers monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and increase yields. In construction, they provide real-time site analysis, track progress, and enhance safety.
Using drone data, we can pinpoint exactly where our crops need attention, saving time and resources.
Drone mapping gives us an up-to-date view of the site, helping us stay on schedule and quickly identify any issues. Drones also play a crucial role in disaster relief, providing rapid assessments of affected areas, guiding rescue operations, and aiding in the efficient distribution of aid.
So, how does drone mapping work? It all starts with the drone's camera and sensors capturing high-resolution images and data. These images are then processed using specialized software to create detailed maps and three-dimensional models. The software stitches together thousands of images, ensuring every detail is captured. Advanced algorithms analyze the data, providing insights and actionable information.
The combination of high-quality imagery and sophisticated software allows us to create highly accurate maps. We can measure distances, calculate volumes, and even detect changes over time.
The future of drone mapping is incredibly promising. As technology advances, drones are becoming more autonomous with improved AI and machine learning capabilities. This means more efficient data collection and even greater accuracy. From real-time environmental monitoring to planning smart cities, drone mapping will play a pivotal role in addressing global challenges and improving our quality of life.
We're only scratching the surface of what's possible with drone mapping. As drones become more integrated with AI and IoT, their potential applications are limitless.
Drone mapping is more than just technology. It's a powerful tool for discovery, innovation, and positive change. Whether it's exploring new frontiers or making our cities smarter and more sustainable, drone mapping is unlocking a world of possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of drone mapping. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting explorations. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.